Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my tips and tricks for shopping the Lilly Pulitzer after party sale because they recently announced the sale. It happens to be September 10th through the 12th, 2018, which guys, I'm so excited about. September 10th is my birthday. I'm going to be turning 21 this year, but I'm also so excited because it's so soon. It's like less than 10 days away because it is September now. Happy September. I'm just so excited, you guys. I seriously live for the Lilly sale because Lilly does not go on sale very often, and I love Lilly, but it is so expensive, and getting it on sale is great because the prices of the sale are just amazing. If you haven't shopped it yet, I totally recommend it because, again, last year, I think maybe 2 years ago, I got a Lilly Pulitzer Agenda, which was like $40 for $9. It was a steal. I don't know what's going to be on the sale, but typically it has a little bit of everything. I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys my top 6 tips for shopping the sale. And also I wanted to let you guys know over on my Instagram, which is just at Kelly Prepster, we are giving away a $75 Lilly Pulitzer gift card. So if you want a chance to win, it's going to be an e-gift card. So you just get it emailed to yourself right before the sale starts. I'm so excited. I think it's so much fun to be able to give back to you guys. So definitely go check it out. Follow me on Instagram, enter the giveaway. But also if you're looking for outfit inspiration or just like want to see more of me, check it out. I love being able to connect with you guys all over there. But back to this video, I'm going to share with you guys my top 6 tips for shopping the sale because if you're new to the sale, it can be a little bit different than your traditional sale, I guess. So typically Lilly's sale starts at 8 o'clock on a Monday. Recently they have made the sales a little bit longer, so now it's like the 10th through the 12th. And recently they have started adding more stuff throughout the sale. Like it used to be like everything's on there, the first come first serve kind of thing, but recently, like if you log back in the next day, they have new different items, which is super exciting. If you follow a lot of like Instagrammers who love Lilly, they will keep you updated. I follow a bunch of Lilly lovers, and like I'm like, oh, they just added this, and I go back to the sale and everything, which I will get to a next tip about that. Ultimately, the sale is first come first serve. I always like to try and get onto sale right when it happens because it does sell out very quickly. Again, the prices are just absolutely amazing. But like how I said, it's first come first serve. When you go to the Lilly website, you are going to be placed in a virtual line, and that goes into my first tip. Do not refresh the page once you are in the line because it'll send you to the end of the line. I learned this the hard way every single time. I'm always like, I bet if I refresh the page it's going to go faster, or maybe my page isn't loading because it hasn't moved at all. It doesn't work like that. It'll tell you what spot in line you are and like your estimated weight and everything, but if you refresh it, you're going to be put to the end. It usually moves pretty quickly, but there's going to be so many people on their site all at once, and it has happened that the site has crashed before. They're pretty good about it, so I wouldn't worry about that happening, but do not refresh the page. That is my #1 tip because you're going to get to the back of the line, and if you don't refresh it and just stay on it, you're gonna get into the sale a lot quicker. And my second tip is to use multiple devices if you can or really want to get into the sale as quickly as possible. So like you can be on your phone, you can be on your computer. If you have a tablet, use that. You know, like there's so many different ways. You could even use like someone else's cell phone too, like to wait in line, I guess, but that's helpful. I learned that through other people on Instagram. Another really big tip is to know your size and know how Lilly Pulitzer runs. I know a lot of you guys, if you're shopping the sale, you might not have any Lilly Pulitzer, and you might find this the time to buy it because it's so cheap, and I totally agree with you. But if you have a store near you, go a few days before the sale, try it on, figure out what size you are in their dresses, in their pants, on their t-shirts, you know, like see, get a feel for it and see if you really like it before you buy it, just because you want to make sure you get the right size. And they also have a thing on their website called TrueFit, and I use this all the time. I think it really works. So like you will put in, like, say you have a pair of J. Crew chino shorts, you'll put in the size that you wear in that, and it'll give you what they recommend for buying on the Lilly site. I use it. I think it really works. I personally really like that, so that is another little tip. My next tip is if it's in your cart, it doesn't necessarily mean it's yours. Like you don't always get it. If you put it in your cart and you know you want to keep looking, just be aware if that item sells out while it's in your cart, someone else could buy it and it could be the last one and you might not get it. So typically you want to shop fast, kind of go through what you know you want to buy. So like say I want to buy a dress, a skirt, and a pair of shorts, and that's it. I'm going to go through all of those as fast as I can, figure out what I want, find it in my size, put it in my cart, and try to order as fast as I can. That way it doesn't sell out while I'm still browsing. But like of course don't rush through it, make sure you enjoy it, but I'm just telling you that as a little warning because it will sell out occasionally, and especially if your size is very popular too, you know. My next tip is honestly, in my opinion, the most important, and I stay true to this all of the time, is to set a budget and stay true to it. Because honestly, before the sale starts, you're gonna have in your head like, oh, I can spend this much. This is how much I want to spend. Typically, I only spend around $100 to $200 because I'm like, I do not need to be spending more than that. It just doesn't seem reasonable to me. But you know, set your budget, because once you go into the sale, you're going to see all of these good sales and everything. You're going to be like, oh, I could just buy all of it. Who wouldn't, you know? But you want to stay true to your budget, because that way you don't overspend or anything. I think that's really helpful, because I feel like in these sales it's so easy to overspend, but you want to be responsible and be responsible with your money. So I think that's a really big tip. That's honestly my most important tips, and I think that's really important to me. Another really important thing to know about the sale is there's no returns. You guys might expect that with like an online sale like this, but like the first time I was kind of like, is there returns? Like I wasn't worried about it because I was really happy with everything I got. But if you order something in the wrong size, or you order 2 of them on accident, be aware of that when you buy it, because you cannot return it after you pay for it and once you get it. That's why I said it was really important to know your size, even though I guess like it can be iffy if you don't have a Lily store near you or something. You can always resell it or gift it to a friend or something, but just be aware that you can't return it. And my last and final tip is to set an alarm, be ready, and get excited about the sale, because I'm so excited. You know, I'm gonna have an alarm going off an hour before so I can get ready, have my Diet Coke, and get my laptop ready, because I'm gonna be shopping the sale. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a comment down below if you have any other tips. That way we can all have the best shopping experience possible. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, leave a comment down below what your favorite thing to pick up during the sale is, because I'd love to know. Personally, I always try and buy at least 1 or 2 pairs of shorts, because I love wearing them for the next season, and I love when they include like some of the vintage styles into the sale. It makes me so happy. I did wear my Lily dress for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And don't worry, I am planning on filming a Lily Pulitzer after party sale haul. I'm super excited about it. I haven't filmed one for a while because I didn't shop the sale last year, but it's happening this year. And I'm going to be setting my alarm, waking up early, shopping the sale. Follow me on Instagram. You'll see it in my Instagram stories. I'm so excited. But I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!